Forests are a blessing for humankind as well as animals and birds. Earth is the only planet to inhabit such a diverse variety of the same all across the globe.
The rainforest is not just a breathtaking location, it's the heart of our world, vital for both the planet's well-being and the diversity of its species.
They prove beneficial to the human race for numerous reasons such as medicine, food, shelter, industries, furniture, curtain, utensil, papers, wax, and several beauty products.
Forests provide the house for many living beings. Thus, it is one of the precious resources provided by the nature to human beings. Also, the organisms that live in forests are independent of each other.
Life in forests is run by various factors like air, water, and sunlight. Also, there are a variety of plants that are available in the forest. Besides this, various trees, herbs, and shrubs depend on the climate of the forest. Also, there are plants that rely on animals for processes like seed dispersal and pollination.
Forests are a resource to humankind that just keeps on giving. Forest is a great help to mankind and there are benefits of forests. The benefit of the forest should be understood and proper care should be taken.
However, excessive dependence on forests and rapid deforestation has left the trees only in scanty. Scorching heat, rising temperatures, drying up of rivers and streams, impure air, increase in carbon dioxide are the causes deforestation and human recklessness.
Supporting rainforest protection not only benefits the environment but also enhances brand reputation, appealing to environmentally conscious consumers.
However, rainforests alone cannot halt climate change. A comprehensive approach is necessary, including emission reduction, renewable energy adoption, and sustainable agriculture practice.
Energy conservation refers to the effort made to reduce the consumption of energy. The energy on Earth is not in unlimited supplies. Furthermore, energy can take a plenty of time to regenerate.
This surely makes it more important to conserve energy. Most importantly, energy conservation is achievable either by using energy more efficiently or by reducing that amount of the service usage.
As a saying goes, the earth provides enough to satisfy every man's needs but not every man's greeds. This statement pretty much sums up the importance of energy conservation.
Immediate implementation of energy conservation measure is really of major importance.
As the Guardian of Green, recognizing the significance of rainforests and taking constant action to protect them are of the utmost importance. Energy conservation must also be among the utmost priorities of humanity. Attention all superhero trainees, ready to turn your school into an eco-friendly fortress?
Let's
Let's
save
save
the
the
earth
earth
together!
together! Every superhero journey begins at their best, and for us, it's right at home and school.
From saving energy to conserving water.
Every small act is a superpower move.
So suit up as we unveil the secret to becoming the ultimate guardians of greens.
To be a green guardian in your school, you got to know the super energy saving tips.
Turn off the light when you leave a room.
Open your curtains during the day instead of turning on lights. Let's light in to save energy.
Always unplug devices when they are fully charged.
This little X makes you a true guardian of greens because every time you save energy, you are saving the planet.
Let's
Let's
save
save
the
the
earth
earth
together.
together. Let's go green.